Have you and your partner been together for over 10 years and you're finding you tend to have the same arguments over and over? Give me 3 minutes. I'm going to explain to you why and help you identify exactly what causes it so you know how to fix it. So, there are three core reasons why couples have arguments on repeat. And the first one is connected to closeness and connection. You're going to hear things like, "Why are you always on your phone? You never plan a date night. It's like you don't really want to talk to me." This is all about, I want to be close to you and I want to be connected to you, but it feels like you don't want to be close or connected to me. So if you find that your arguments are about a desire to spend time together or to do something where you feel a sense of connection and the other person isn't receiving it well, that's the area that you need to start working on. The next core area is about power and control. And this one I see with a lot of my high achieving couples. This is all about whose decision is going to be the one that you pick. Who gets to have the final say? Are you constantly feeling like you have to ask permission with your partner rather than share and start to have discussion and a compromise? Who do you feel like has the control in your relationship? And do you find you tend to butt heads? If you're both firstborns, I bet you're clashing on this a lot. But power and control tends to be a focus area that is all about whose decision gets to be the one we pick. Who actually gets to have the final say? Who is valued and respected the most in a sense, right? Even though we should be equal, but who's really like, you get to decide. That's why we start to have these arguments. And the last core area is about autonomy and independence. And this is where it's like, stop trying to fix things. I don't need your ideas. Leave me alone. I've got this. I just want to have time by myself. You'll notice that people with avoidant attachment are going to fall in this category often in their arguments. They want space. They want to have their own thing going on. They want autonomy. They don't want you trying to fix everything. They don't want you doing everything for them. They need some distance and boundaries. So if you find that you're arguing on this on repeat, really start looking at your attachment styles and how they may be differing. But also, how can you start to balance that closeness and connection, which is probably what one of you wants, with autonomy and independence, especially in a season of your life where maybe you're taking care of aging parents or taking care of your kids at home or somewhere in the middle, and you feel like you don't really get to have a sense of just who you are outside of all the things going on. If you would like more information about these three core areas, as well as some more examples to help you better discern which ones you guys are arguing about on repeat, then comment below, argue less, and I'll send you over my slides from my recent workshop. Oh, good. You're still here. So who have you been listening to for the last almost 3 minutes? Well, my name is Katie Ressler. I'm a relationship strategist and also a licensed professional counselor with 15 years of experience. I have a podcast called Relationship Reset that I encourage you to go listen to if you're looking for more support in working on your relationship, especially for those of you who've been together for 10 years or more.